36
36.
36.
المواصلات العامة القريبة.
Public transportation.
Public transportation.
أين موقف الباص الحافلة؟
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
أي باص الذي يذهب إلى وسط المدينة؟
Which bus goes to the city center?
Which bus goes to the city center?
أي خط الذي ينبغي أن آخذ؟
Which bus do I have to take?
Which bus do I have to take?
هل ينبغي أن أبدل الباص في السفر؟
Do I have to change?
Do I have to change?
أين ينبغي أن أبدل الباص؟
Where do I have to change?
Where do I have to change?
بكم تذكرة السفر؟
How much does a ticket cost?
How much does a ticket cost?
كم عدد محطات التوقف حتى وسط المدينة؟
How many stops are there before downtown?
How many stops are there before downtown?
ينبغي أن تنزل هنا.
You have to get off here.
You have to get off here.
ينبغي أن تنزل من الخلف.
You have to get off at the back.
You have to get off at the back.
المترو التالي سيصل خلال 5 دقائق.
The next train is in 5 minutes.
The next train is in 5 minutes.
الترام التالي سيصل خلال 10 دقائق.
The next tram is in 10 minutes.
The next tram is in 10 minutes.
الباص التالي سيصل خلال 15 دقيقة.
The next bus is in 15 minutes.
The next bus is in 15 minutes.
متى يسافر آخر مترو؟
When is the last train?
When is the last train?
متى يسافر آخر ترام؟
When is the last tram?
When is the last tram?
متى يسافر آخر باص؟
When is the last bus?
When is the last bus?
هل معك تذكرة سفر؟
Do you have a ticket?
Do you have a ticket?
لا يوجد معي.
A ticket? No, I don't have one.
A ticket? No, I don't have one.
إذن عليك أن تدفع غرامة.
Then you have to pay a fine.
Then you have to pay a fine.